Hello, this is George, and we are going to review the Halloween method. Yes, it's spooky, there's ghosts, there's goblins, but we want to know, what is it? What have you got to do? And if you do it, can you actually make some money? So that's what we're going to talk about here, is really what is it and what do you got to do? This is inside of the Halloween method, and just like a lot of other software programs, or this is an e-course, there's no software program here. This is basically an umbrella, a bundle, a huge bundle of a number of different affiliate marketing tools, techniques, programs, and softwares all bundled into one. What this guy did, Dodd is his name, he took everything that he made, everything, I believe, and he put it all into one package here. Now, the key, again, is going to be traffic. So what is it? It's a whole conglomerate, a whole bunch of different softwares and programs to market affiliate marketing. Okay, so that's what it is. So what have you got to do? Well, you're going to have to drive some traffic to it. So I put together some special bonuses here, my George's Insane bonuses, that's going to help you out with that traffic. Now, we're going to go over those bonuses in a little bit, but right now, they're promoting here how to make $100 every day. This is the sales page, so you've probably seen this. If you haven't seen this and you're watching this on YouTube, click on the link below and you'll be able to get to this bonus page. Inside the bonus page, click on one of these clickable bars here that you'll see all over the place. Actually, there's probably half a dozen of those, and then that will take you to the sales page. Here's a short video, about 3 minutes. It really doesn't tell you what it is. It just tells you, hey, make some money. Are you tired of being spooked out and so forth? So once you get to the sales page, if you do actually want to get it, you click here, and then that will take you down the road and you'll be able to actually buy it. Again, this really doesn't tell you that much. It says here what you're going to get. Easy to follow video training. Okay, set everything up in 10 minutes per day. Right. Don't need any technical skills. Okay. No list needed, because this is going to build one for you. And that's the whole thing, is that this is going to help you build a list by giving a whole bunch of stuff away. And he's giving you everything to give away. So here's like the chain of events. You buy his program. You buy the Halloween method. Once you have the Halloween method, then you market some affiliate products. And when you market those affiliate products, it's going to be jam-packed full of freebies. And you're going to have the products, plus you're going to have all the freebies to go along with it. And that's what's all included here. So that's more of what it is. What do you need to do? You're going to need to send some traffic to it. So you don't really need a list. It will help you build a list, but you're still going to need traffic to send to that. 30-day money-back guarantee, rinse and repeat, etc., etc. 3 steps: pick it up, learn how to do it, and then do it again. The bonuses, all right? The bonuses on how we're going to generate some traffic for you. Vanquish. I'm going to give you Vanquish, which is valued at $427.95. And what is Vanquish? Vanquish Pro, it's a software and training program altogether, which helps pull people in, make a list, and promote affiliate offers. And there's offers and stuff, high ticket, that are inside Vanquish. So you're going to get that as a free bonus from me if you decide to get the Halloween method. So this is going to be very congruent with the Halloween method. The second bonus here is how to boost your Facebook following. And that's important, because Facebook, everyone's on Facebook. The holidays are going to be sharing pictures of foods. Well, you know what? Now you've got a way to make some money. And during the holidays, people are most stressed and they're thinking about money. All right? They're with family. They've got a lot of stress, not only because of COVID, but holiday shopping, and everyone's shopping online. So that's that. Bonus number 3, valued at $344.95. Ooh, This is a big one here. This is content curation hack. So this is how to create content. Over here, number 4, this is a bonus tutorial for Fuego Multiplier. And this basically is a YouTube training on how to get YouTube up and ads up and running without actually doing any kind of videos. That's really cool too. Bonus number 5 is all the bonuses that Dodd's going to give you itself. So I've decided to add in an extra bonus, .com secrets. So that will also be on the bonus page. You didn't see it during this video, but if you click on the link in the bottom of the YouTube description there, then you will get over to the correct bonus page, and it will have the .com secret. Now, if you do want this, you click on one of these deals here. You get the Halloween method, and you're going to get all these bonuses. It will be delivered through Warrior Plus, and when you get into Warrior Plus, you get an email, blah, 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 and then just click over here. You get the affiliate bonuses, and that's how you get these bonuses through my bonuses that you got here. And so there you go. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Now, the only thing that I found on the inside that's really worth me showing to you guys is this learning the trick. What is the trick about this? Now, this is a video here, and what I did is I got it in another page, and I'm going to make it big so you can see this. What he does is these are all the products that he's giving you, and some of these products here have 10 modules inside of it. So you figure here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I think there's more down below. 18 times 10. That's like 180 different things that Dodd's giving you for this Halloween trick, Halloween method. So that's really the key. You're getting everything that he put together over the years. Most of it is, it's probably some very good training. So if you're just getting started, or maybe if you want, how do you get something that's good and that has a lot of products to give away? Well, that's what this is. So can you make any money? That is the last question. Is really, what is it? We know what it is now. It's a bundle of different stuff that you can give away for affiliates to help you build a list. What do you have to do? Well, you're going to need to drive some traffic to it and let people know, hey, I'm in business. Look, I got all this stuff to give you if you want it. It's cheap, it's free, it's expensive. That's up to you. That's all in the training. And then from there, the third thing is, can you make any money? Hey, if you go out there and you ask 5, 10, 15, 20, 100, 15, or even $1,000 for some of this stuff, yes, you can make some money on it. I hope this I hope that this video has fit you well and you got the information you needed from it. My name is George. Go out there, make some money. Bam!
bensound.com